Good morning. I got a gorgeous 2016 GMC Sierra Denali. It's in really, really good shape. It is the crew cabin. It's got the short bed. It is four-wheel drive. Got a nice dual exhaust. Let's check out some of the accessories and the extras. It's got some really nice, they're not chrome, they're like stainless steel method wheels. What size are these? These are, where are you? These are 17-inch method wheels, stainless steel, and it's got some nice BFG all-terrains. It's got a really nice lockable hard tonneau cover. Let's pop that open. It does have a spray-in bed liner. Cool Denali stamping in there. It is a really nice, I'm sure the camera doesn't really show it very well, but it's like a really nice pearl white. It does have electric running boards. Let's check that out. It should close after a certain, there. Let's have a look in the driver's seat from the back here. It's got a really nice tan leather interior. Crew cab, so it is roomy back here. Let me turn down the music. It's got like a nice two-tone interior as well. Bose premium sound. Of course, it's got power everything. It is the Denali, so it's very well equipped. Got Denali stitching in the headrest. Does come with WeatherTech floor mats throughout, which is really nice, and it's matching tan color. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. So on steering wheel, looks like we have like a collision alert, heated steering wheel. Basic steering wheel functions. Obviously it's four-wheel drive. Does have a really nice digital odometer display. This has 113 on it, but you'd have no idea. It's in really tip-top shape. It's definitely been taken care of. Does have nav. Let's throw it in reverse. Backup cam. It's got heated seats, cooled seats. It does have remote start. This is cool. It's got every switch possible. Looks like it's got adjustable pedals, truck bed light, park sensors, and some other stuff I'm not really familiar with, to be honest. It's got USBs, I think those are the 12 volts or whatever they're called, and a normal plug-in. Oh, and I think this is a wireless charger. I'm not sure. I think that's what that instruction is for. It's got some more USB inputs and an AUX input. Yeah, this one's in really good shape. Let's check out the back seat one more time. Like I said, this is crew cab, so it's plenty. You can go swimming back here. And it does have the WeatherTechs in the back as well, which are very handy. It's got a sliding rear window. Sorry, I probably didn't show. It does have moonroof. Alright, let's pop the hood. Yeah, the 5.3 V8. We'll have to double check. I think it is the 5.3. It'll be listed on the specs on their website. So yeah, it's a really gorgeous GMC half-ton truck Denali. Hopefully this video helped out. Yeah, thanks for checking it out. Hope you have a good day.